Whoa, that's the letter B for Barney.
Barney!
Oh, hi, everybody.
Hello, hello, hello!
What are you doing? Playing. Ah.
Uh-oh. Oh, look out, everybody!
Are you okay, Hannah?
Do you have a cold?
No, I thought I had a cold, but the doctor said it's allergies. Allergies? What are allergies? The doctor said there's stuff called pollen that blows off flowers, grass, and trees. It makes my eyes itch, and I sneeze a lot.